I want to talk a little bit about planting design, planting bulbs. In my little sketchbook, I have my plan drawn out for how I wanted this garden to look. We're extending the season when we plant bulbs, so we want to have bulbs growing from March until July, really, when the perennials then will be coming up and adding to the border. I have a great collection of bulbs here. We have alliums, which are going to go in the back, and these are going to be tall onions, in fact. These are also alliums, a fun variety known as hare, also a very tall plant in the early spring. And then later we're going to have the daffodils. They'll come up a nice yellow color. And then we have some tulips, which are bouquet tulips, Antoinettes, and they have a mix of colors. They range from yellow and then fade to orange and reds. So all season long, from March until July, we're going to have something colorful springing up in the garden. And then alliums will be a nice blanket color. Grape hyacinths with their blue color, they're only about 8 inches high, will make a nice carpet in front of these bulbs. So how do you plant a bulb? This is an allium bulb, the onion bulb. These are deer resistant, and so if you have a deer problem, think about bulbs. The general rule, you're going to want to plant the hole 4 to 6 times the height of the bulb. And so for something like an allium, ideally, if you can get about 8 inches deep. You're going to add a tablespoon of Osmocote to each bulb hole. Osmocote lasts 4 months, and it's temperature sensitive, so it's going to give the nutrients when the plant needs it the most. So it's great to have over the fall and then as they come up in the spring. You're going to plant the root side down with the tip up. Remember to think about a design, draw it in your landscape journal, and extend the season of color. I'm Jennifer Bartley, landscape designer and author.